It's getting hot out there, and it can be just as stuffy and uncomfortable inside your home too. Well, you can install a fan faster than a handyman can with Breeze Brite from JML. The simple ceiling fan and light that delivers a cool, refreshing breeze anywhere, anytime. Simply attach Breeze Brite to any light socket, then use the convenient remote control to get a refreshing, cool breeze with a sleek, modern design. But here's the really bright idea. With one push of the remote button, you get a brilliant LED light as well. Amazing! Now from the comfort of your armchair, you can light up the room and enjoy a cool breeze at the same time. Breeze Brite turns your ordinary light fitting into super cool fan lighting and has 3 power levels for both the light and the fan. Breeze Brite's powerful LED lights have 2100 lumens that can last up to 50,000 hours. And its low-profile design offers safety and ease to place above bunk beds or low ceilings or out in the shed. Breeze Brite will keep you cool and comfortable in your home or if you're in the garage or shed. It cools down those hot jobs, so soldering is no sweat and everything is easier to see. And the incredible design also gives you amazing moisture and odor control, circulating the air around you and helping to reduce the growth of mold and mildew, as well as blowing away strong odors from paints and solvents. And it's a great way to help keep away mosquitoes and bugs, so you can help reduce the risk of being swarmed by pesky bugs and insects. So keep the temperature and your bills to a minimum. It's time to light up and cool down your home with Breeze Brite from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.